Get the Scoop, Arlington's CED1 cable entrance hood for communications cable. It installs facing in or out for installation versatility when using decorator wall plates. And it's great for running entry or exit cable for data, communications, or low voltage components. Neat and clean, the Scoop is quick and easy to install with Arlington's low voltage mounting brackets. They're sold separately. Feed the wires through the Scoop and attach it to the low voltage mounting bracket with the supplied screws. Repeat as many times as necessary. It's that easy and looks great too. Get the Scoop from Arlington.